watch this video and learn how to draw this. Isn't it amazing? Later in the show is a really fun song. I'm so excited. Welcome to Artie's Show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello, little artists. Welcome to Artie's Show. Yeah, I'm very excited today because we're going to draw something really fun. Yeah, are you going to draw along with Artie? Don't worry if you don't have any marker pens or paper. You can just watch Artie draw. Yay!
Good day, Artie.
Hey there, Artie.
Are you ready to create some art?
We're ready. It's time to start the art. Okay.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, look at that drawing. It's hitting all the right chords. Oh, oh, oh. Bye.
Coming up later, I'm going to sing a song. Yeah. I love drawing so much. It's time we had a little rest and sang a song. Don't you think so, little artists? Yeah? Okay. Are we ready? Let's do it. Let's have a song break.
Ha ha ha, let's laugh today. Ha ha ha, let's laugh today. Ho ho ho, in a silly way. Hee hee hee, the world's so bright. Let's laugh and laugh from day to night. A cat said hello on a telephone, then balanced a fish on a traffic cone. A bird told a joke about a kangaroo. I couldn't stop laughing, could you? Ha ha ha, let's laugh today. Ho ho ho, in a silly way. Hee hee hee, the world's so bright. Let's laugh and laugh from day to night. Tickle your toes and wiggle your nose. The giggles come and then they grow. Laugh so big it fills the sky. Let's laugh together, you and I. Ha ha ha, let's laugh today. Ho ho ho, in a silly way. Hee hee hee, the world's so bright. Let's laugh and laugh from day to night. Ha ha ha, from day to night. Tedaloo and ha.
Wasn't that an awesome song? It was so much fun. Okay, fun's over. Well, singing fun at least. Now it's drawing fun. Let's carry on with the drawing. Painty! Oh no! Go away! No, Painty, no! No! Oh.
You know, that painty cat is kinda messy. Makes me wanna sing though. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Paint is everywhere.
This is the best day ever! Wow, this one came out really good. Did yours come out good as well, little artist? I bet it did. Well, I think we should color it now. What do you think? Yeah, let's color it in.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
When Artie adds color?
Yes.
Oh, this one came out really nice. I might put this in a frame. How was yours? I bet yours came out really good too, because you're so talented.
We hope you enjoyed the show. Carrot kisses and bunny wishes.
We hope you had fun watching Artie's show. We sure had fun doing it. Please come again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have an Artie day. Bye.